Do you feel overwhelmed? Do you feel like you've got so much on your plate? Do you feel like it's taking so much, it's taking so long to achieve your goals and dreams? Yes, today I'm going to share 5 practical steps that will help you to overcome overwhelm. How do you really go through life when you know it's taking longer than you thought it would take? So straight away, I'm not going to waste your time. Let's go into some of the ways that you can overcome overwhelm. Number 1 is I want you to do something daily that will lead you closer to your goals and dreams. What am I talking about? See, sometimes when we are stationary, sometimes when we're not moving in the direction of our goals and dreams, that's when so much overwhelm comes onto our mind. We say, oh, I've got so much on that plate. But let me tell you something. When you start doing something daily that moves you closer, I'm losing my voice here. I should have got a cup of water, a glass of water. When you do something daily that moves you closer to your goals and dreams, guess what? You feel good about yourself. You start seeing progress. You start gaining momentum. And once you gain that momentum, guess what? That overwhelm will be taken away because you can see more things moving in the direction of your goals and dreams. You can see that you're getting closer to that finish line. Number 2, see, this, you may not like it, but it could be the best one that will change everything for you. I want you to really take some quiet time. See, most of the time when we hustling, when we're going after goals and dreams so much, sometimes we never get that step to really take that quiet time and, reminisce and look at the things we've accomplished. See, when we're on the go, sometimes the mind gets so overwhelmed, but sometimes you just have to take that deep breath and relax and know everything will be fine. So the second tactic is I want you to take some quiet time to yourself. It could be an hour, it could be 30 minutes, where you sit back and realize, really, what am I stressing? So take some quiet time. Another one is I want you to start using mantras. See, mantras are really words you say to yourself over and over and over again until they sink into your subconscious mind, until they become a part of you, until they get into your spirit. So what's the mantra you're going to use? For me, some of you have heard me share this before. It is, "These too shall pass, it's not come to stay." I didn't invent it, it's everywhere. These too shall pass, it's not come to stay. So when you use a mantra, so every time that overwhelm comes up, you just say to yourself, "These too shall pass, it's not come to stay." Even put on a smile. These too shall pass, it's not come to stay. These too shall pass, it's not come to stay. See, the more you say something, you're going to start to believe it. What do they say? If you tell yourself a lie over and over again, eventually you start to believe it. So if you're feeling overwhelmed, I want you to say to yourself, "These too shall pass, it's not come to stay." See, once you realize that, then you're able to move in the direction of your goals and dreams. When you realize that this is not going to be forever, then you're able to do what? To relax a little bit and realize it's not going to last forever. So another one is, I want you to take it day by day. See, most of the times, because we're looking so farther ahead, we get so overwhelmed. So I want you to take it day by day, moment by moment. See, when you say, what can I do today that will lead me closer to my goals and dreams? So basically what you're doing is you're not looking farther ahead. What really creates overwhelm is anticipation. It's looking so much farther. That's why you just gotta take it day by day. See, when you take it day by day, what can I do today, just today? Right now, I'm shooting this video. I'm shooting this video today. Tomorrow will take care of itself. When it comes tomorrow, I'll shoot another video. As much as I shoot so many videos, I'm like, what can I shoot today? So you're going after your goals and dreams. You're going to the gym. You want to lose that weight. It seems like it's taking long. You go to the gym and say, this is my workout for today. Let me work out today. And what about tomorrow when I get in the gym? So take it day by day. See, when you do something day by day, guess what again? You're not looking further ahead. You're in the moment. You're in the present moment. And guess what? When you do that, that's when you start moving closer to your goal and dream. And then the last tactic, oh my God, this is one of my favorites, but the hardest. So the other one is you gotta surrender. You gotta let go and let God. What does this mean? See, it's different to most people. I'm not saying you quit. No, surrender is not quitting. So for me, surrender is doing everything you can and without getting emotionally attached. Let me say that again. So surrendering is doing everything you can without getting emotionally attached. Surrendering is doing everything you can. You show up, you do whatever you're supposed to do, and leave the rest to this higher power that holds everything together, that brings everything together. You didn't create anything on this planet, did you? So I want you to surrender and realize, as long as you're doing something daily that's moving you closer to your goals and dreams, then leave the rest. You're in the right place. You don't know when it's going to happen. So just surrender. Just let it go. Let it go. Do whatever you can. You will do whatever you can. Show up on a daily basis. See, when you do those things, then you're going to be able to overcome overwhelm. So that's what I wanted to share. And please do me a favor. If you like this video, do me a favor, comment, subscribe, share with friends and family. And I will see you in next week's video here, where I bring you a weekend motivational video. And if you like short videos as well, go and watch my YouTube shorts. I love you, my fans, and as always, remember to go after your goals and dreams like your life depends on it, because guess what? It absolutely does. Have a fantastic day, my fans. Mwah.